use the candidates test to determine which critical points are global extrema in the closed interval AB. Well, if we look at the critical points, that's these two. And what we do is check these against the ends of the interval. So let's just take this one at x equals c and this one at x equals d. So if we want to determine if this is a global maximum, what we do is check if f of c is greater than the values at the ends of the interval. So this value is clearly larger than f of a and f of b. So this is a global maximum. And if we check f of d against the ends of the interval, well, we can see that f of d is greater than f of a. So therefore it's not a global minimum, it's a local minimum.